Okay friends, just a quick heads up. You don't necessarily have to fully remove your door panel here to do the mirror, but I'm going to do it just because in all actuality it's safer for all the plastic, because as you start trying to pull this up and move it a little bit, you might potentially crack or break something. Looking at your door panel, you're going to see your inner door handle. You want to go ahead and remove that 10mm headed bolt that's in there. Get the handle out of the way. Next, let's move along to getting this off right here. Let's use our plastic trim tool and remove this master switch right here. There we are. Go ahead and pull on this tab. Set this aside. Now we need to remove our 4 Phillips head mounting screws. You'll have one up here, one in the center where your handle was, and then 2 along the bottom. Grab your panel like this and carefully lift up. There we go. Okay, so now we have a nice clear view of our mirror mounting areas. You have 3 mounting nuts, and of course you have the wiring going to it. If you put your hand like this, you could squeeze with your thumb right along the wiring and draw it right off. There's a little squeeze tab. Moving along, let's remove our 3 mounting nuts here. Leave that one on just a couple threads for now. Reach through, hold your mirror, remove that last mounting nut. Now what you want to pay attention to is right up along where the wiring went in. You can see there's 2 little clippy-doos. You want to kind of just push in on those tabs or squeeze them away from the door. There it is, friends. Let's go ahead and install our mirror. If you have the little window flare here, just go ahead and put it underneath there. Line up your studs, watch your paint. There we are. Now let's snug them up. Just going to go till it's bottomed out. Give it a teeny bit more. Do the same to all. Let's hook up our electrical connector here. Give it a nice click. Give it a nice tug. That feels perfect. All right, so now let's go ahead and connect this back in. We'll put the key in the on position and let's test that mirror. Perfect. Now it's going to be time to get our door panel back on, but before we can do that, let's get this little cover out of here. This is where that door lock's going to be. This is going to make it so much easier for us in the long run. Now let's put this up to the door, grab our wiring, make sure it comes through. Come up here, we want to come high. That way all those hooks can fit into their corresponding holes. I'm pushing at the same time as I'm letting this come down. Okay, I'm just going to feel along the whole way, make sure I'm sitting completely up against the door. Let's grab this right here. I'm going to go ahead and lift up on that door lock, pop this on in there. All right, move along to our window switch here. Lock this in. Okay, make sure it's locked in. Perfect. Now let's move along down here to putting in our handle. So now we're going to get our handle on here. I'm just going to get my tool ready so it's already on the handle. Put it in so it lines up with its spot. Make sure that's snug. Perfect. Now it's going to be time to put in our mounting screws. Let's go ahead up here and use the 2 larger ones first. One down here. Awesome.